Hello viewers, welcome to my Kids Drawing TV, and today I am going to draw a aeroplane. Jerry, where are you? Yeah, I'm here. Oh, you are here? Yes, I am here. So you are drawing a aeroplane, right? Yes, I am drawing a aeroplane today. And that is the aeroplane fan. Did you see that before? Yes, I saw that before many times. Oh, great. So here is my color for that aeroplane. Jerry, do you know what color it is? Yeah, I know that. That is light green color, right? Yes, that is light green color. So, you know that. Yes, I know that. That is light green. Oh, you are using blue color. So, blue color at the fan. Wow, new color again. Hey, John, you have a lot of color? Yes, I have a lot of color. Blue, green, red, and I have another color, Jerry. Oh, so you use another color again in that aeroplane? Yes, I will use another color. Can you guess that? What color it will be? Maybe yellow, because you use always yellow on your art. No, Jerry, no yellow here. Then let me wait to see that color, but used a lot of color for the red part. So what color it would be? I am waiting to see that. Sorry, just wait. Here it is. Do you know what color it is? I know that. That is purple, right? Yes, that is purple color. So I am just using the purple color to make that drawing nice. Oh yes, it looks really great. So purple color, red color combination looks really nice, John. Thank you, Jerry. So, do you like that? Yes, I like a lot. I want to fly